friends, good morning. Today we have understand the most important concept of Java is inner class or nested class. So what is inner classes in Java and how can we declare that class? So we have discussed the definition. A class inside another class in Java is known as inner class. Now we have seen what I'm saying. Till now we have build a single class and we have many methods in that class, but now the new concept come, a class has another class inside. So the syntax of this is, first of all we create a class, any name, outer. Now in outer we are declare another class, that is inner class. Class any name, inner, and this is the inner class. Look at a class inside another class is known as inner class or nested class. When we are compile that class that has no any main method, there is no compile time error, there is a runtime error. I will show you. I'm save it. Save it. So how we compile it? First of all we compile outer class, not inner class. Okay, Java C space outer dot Java. Look, there is no compile time error, but when we run this class, what happen? Java space outer. The main method is not found. Okay, when we compile simple class, so compiler generate a bytecode dot class, but we compile inner class, what will happen? So I will show you. When we compile this file, this class, there is 2 bytecode generated. Okay, the outer class is our simple class bytecode, and when we compile inner class, then this type of bytecode is generated. Outer class $, inner class name or dot class. So there is a $. In every bytecode, when you see $, you understand that is an inner class. Okay, I hope you understand how to create outer class, inner class, and what will the bytecode of that class when we compile them. Thank you friends.